Compact, light and always ready kit for small 360-degree cameras. Mini tripod with 2 leg angles. Legs can be extended in 5 simple steps. 4-section aluminum pole. The pole can also be detached from the base and used as a selfie stick. Top reviews from the United States. This thing works great. The Manfrotto VR is a long extension pole for use with 360 cameras. I use it with my Ricoh Theta and the extra length opens up more possibilities for the shots I do. The pole is more stable than a selfie stick, being thicker and all. The length is almost double what most selfie sticks provide, so you need that extra stability. The Pixi Evo base is a nice addition since the legs can be extended as well as folded out. I did look to see if I could find the base sold separately, but could not find it, only found the standard Pixi Evos that do not have a seat for the Manfrotto VR. Like any pole, or monopod, on a small base you have be careful when it's windy. Also it does not collapse down to a small size like most selfie sticks, but it's not made for that. If you need the length, or have something bigger than a cell phone, this is a great unit.